How to fix cannot verify payment information. If you're seeing the message cannot verify payment information, contact Apple support on your iPhone. You're not alone. It's a common issue that can happen for a variety of reasons, and in today's video, I'll walk you through some quick and easy solutions to fix it. First things first, let's make sure your payment details are up to date. Here's how you can do that. Open the Settings app on your phone, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen, and simply tap on Payment and Shipping. You may be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID. Once you check in, check the payment method listed. Make sure the information is correct. For example, check the expiration date on your credit card, the billing address, and that the card number is accurate. Now, if everything looks good but the issue persists, you can try updating your payment method or even add a new one. Simply in Payment and Shipping, click on Add Payment, and simply you can choose whichever payment method you want to add. If you're updating an existing card, tap on the payment method and make the necessary changes. Now, sometimes the error happens because the billing address doesn't match your bank or card issuer has a file. To fix this, simply double check the shipping address and the billing address. Make sure it matches the address your bank has registered for your card. After updating your payment information, it's a good idea to restart your iPhone to make sure the changes are applied properly. And that's it. That's how you can simply resolve the cannot verify payment information issue on iOS 16.